Hello everybody, I am Buck WSR Weezer, putting the do into do-it-yourself. We got a do-it-yourself project today. It's the 1998 Founder by Fleetwood, the motorhome. And I am going to replace this driver's side window. As you can see, it's completely fogged over. Now that's double pane glass, and between them is just fog that can't be fixed or repaired. We just need to replace it. So happily today, let's go inside. I'm so excited because just this week arrived the new window. There it is, and I didn't open it yet because I thought maybe you would like to join me for the unboxing. So I'm gonna set you up right here. Not sure, can you see what I'm doing there? Now here's the packing slip. And rats, I don't have my glasses. Okay, so I bought this. I'm in New Jersey. I bought this from a place in Vancouver, Washington, Motion Windows. It also comes up as Peninsula Glass. You can find them online. I had tried through a number of local retailers to get some help with this glass, and I kept striking out. I finally had one guy who said that he would help me, but he kept putting me off, and finally I kind of gave up. So it's not possible to safely drive here because you can't see out the window. Now in another video, which I will link to above, I showed you how to take measurements for an RV window replacement window. Those are the kind of measurements that you need when you go online to order a replacement window. You might want to check that out. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. Now it's a beautiful day today, but I'm not actually going to install the window because it is supposed to rain. I want to make sure I got a perfectly dry and clear day. But at least we'll get started by taking a look at it. Wow. Filler pieces. Alright, this guy. Alright, so it's packed up pretty good. I think they did a good job with the packing. Well, this is what they do. Hey, when you order something like this, you have to be patient because their turnaround time was probably over a month. It was over a month from when I ordered it till when it actually arrived. Alright, so they include with it, it's pretty good. They include with it some of this installation tape. And inside this bag, I also see the screws, a bag of screws for the trim ring on the inside. So there's that. Beautiful. I actually did not get double pane glass. This is going to be, it's a single pane. And I think actually that is going to be completely fine. I don't think it makes that much difference in terms of insulation factor. And it was a little cheaper, so that's what I went with. We don't really camp in the winter, travel in the winter, so I didn't think that was a big deal. Alright, so you've got the trim ring. This is the part that installs from the inside. The rest of it is inserted and installed from the outside. So there it is. Wow, it's great. I feel great about that. Alright, so I'm going to wait for another day to install this, and I'll look forward to that. Not going to do it today, but I at least wanted to open it with you. So I'll talk to you again a little bit when it comes time to install it.